Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going over a Webtalk update. Alright, so our CEO RJ Goldrich announced some huge updates coming. We're gonna have groups, Webtalk groups, kind of similar to Facebook groups, and we're gonna have group chat also. We're also gonna have native video, and you'll get paid for those views anytime you're on the platform. Okay, so pretty much what they're trying to do is like any other social media platform, keep everybody on their platform, but the only difference is we're gonna pay our users to use the platform. Okay, and then pages for business in our product roadmap, and this is the next app update and this first big step in that direction. Okay, now, those were the big updates, and I'm going to show you real quick my back office as well too. So far today, I got two people signed up in my back office. That's just so far today, but I got a total of over 317 members so far. And then I have a pro upgrade that someone so did a pro upgrade under me as well too. So I got that $10 as well. And I got 53 total affiliates. And then for the $5 sign up bonuses, I have $235. And just keep in mind that all $5 referral sign up bonuses are paid upon your affiliate referrals receiving their first rewards payment of $100 or more. Okay, so let's go into a couple of other things here. This is how you get your referral link. They have the content marketing, affiliate marketing, and here's you get your referral link, and then you could share your username to join on Webtalk as well too. All right, and that's all I have for the quick update. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.